my Sunday ride. So today we are taking the fat bike to the Pass Lake Railway Trestle. It's a now decommissioned railway bridge on the outskirts of Thunder Bay, and I'll just have to double check on my information, but I believe it is actually was the longest railway bridge in Ontario, so that's kind of something to look forward to seeing. I don't know if we'll cross it today. I have crossed it once. I'll give you the link to that video. Yeah, I have crossed it completely once. It's very scary. So I won't be doing it again this time. I will go partway out on it, mainly to get some Instagram photographs, but I won't be crossing it completely. What we will be doing is taking an old abandoned railway line. Most of the way there. Just have to get to where we're going here. Just being careful. I have high pressure in these tires for lower rolling resistance, and we're going to be on the old railway line, which is still has a lot of the old railway bedrock, so fat tires will help for flotation. And I didn't realize it was so grown in here, but no point turning around now. Like, this trail does get some regular use. There's where we want to go. Luckily we got through there with only getting a minor soaker. On Google Maps I saw a road well worn in, but I think it's an old image. Boy, we sure went the wrong way. Looks like we can get off here. Too early. Tried to get on the railway line there too early. Yeah, we just got to stay on the road for about 5 minutes, and then we can hop back down to the old railway line. Alright, so now we're actually on the old railway line. What we'll be dealing with most of the time. This old railway bed stone. It's not particularly fun to ride on. It's the least distressing to do on a fat bike. guys, so the mighty Lake Superior, that's the Sleeping Giant Peninsula way out in the distance. So that's a provincial park, and there is a hike you can do that gets to the top of that, and the view this way back towards the city is amazing. It's a long hike though, like a 5-hour hike, 5 hours of walking time. The sad thing is the first 2 hours or so in the final, well, the first hour and the final hour are actually really boring. It's not till you get to the middle that it gets interesting when you start climbing that. Big waves, you can hear the big waves. I was gonna stop and take pictures, but I started too late. It's gonna keep moving really. I'll take some pictures at the Pass Lake Trestle. Maybe I'll do this ride again next weekend. See if my brother wants to come, and make sure we start early enough that I can stop and take some nice pictures. Short little bridge, but concrete blocks, so all-terrain vehicles and stuff can't cross it. But on one side you have the mighty Lake Superior, motorized all-terrain vehicles, of course, not beautiful bicycles. And on this side then is the mighty Mackenzie River, although it's not looking particularly mighty. But this flows from way up north, and that is the world's largest lake. I do have to take a leak. There's nobody around, don't see anyone. We used to come smelt fishing here. I remember coming here as a kid. I remember the water being a lot lower, and oh yeah, you'd just catch smelt by the bucketful. We're off. I think we've got like 15k till we get to the Pass Lake Trestle. Very slow 15k. the final stretch to the Pass Lake Railway Trestle. If I recall correctly, it is the longest railway bridge in Ontario. No longer in use, it's been decommissioned. It's still there. 2 hours, 16 minutes, we're not there yet. It's going to be a long ride today. It's going to be pretty much dark by the time we get back to town. Okay, so here is the Pass Lake Trestle. Longest railway bridge in Ontario, I do believe, and I will verify that information for you. So we will ride it part way so we can get a nice photo. I have ridden all the way across it, and it's scary. There's no protection. And it gets very windy in the middle. So we will just stop here, grab my phone, turn it on. Yeah, the battery on this phone sucks, especially when the weather is cooler. It just drains out like crazy, so. Okay, now we're gonna try to lay the bike down and take a photo. The picture didn't work out perfect, but you know what? Too nervous. I'm even nervous being where we are, so turn around. Oh, and we have to start heading for home. And we need to avoid, well, there's the view anyways. What it's worth. Pretty sweet. Oh yeah, so I have crossed this completely, and I will leave the link to that video in the info box. Already getting cold. But anyways, I think that'll be this is probably the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I make it home in a decent amount of time, and that it's not completely dark. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, I'm going to come out next weekend. I'm going to do this same ride, but it's going to be just to take photographs along the way, because there's lots of possibilities for pretty pictures. So thanks for watching. See ya. Oh yeah, I forgot to say there'll be a Strava link for this ride in the info box. There'll be a link to my Instagram account so you can see a couple of the pictures I took. So check those out, please. And thanks again for watching. Bye.